I'm a marketing student. Expectations for the budget is that we would like the government to invest in health sector, wherein they invest in government schools, education and digital learning. Secondly, they should invest in AI, on AI manufacturing and in various other sectors on the highway, tolls. Thirdly, coming to AI, we should definitely invest in the tolls because they should be totally digitalized and not having someone stand there and unnecessarily spend money there. Thirdly, we should definitely invest in the startups for job creation. As we know, the market is really down and we should have some people who could actually create jobs. So that would be startups. So they should invest in SMCGs also. And I think, yeah, that's it.
Okay, were you happy with the last year's budget?
So I wasn't exactly happy because the taxation was increased and that could affect a lot of middle class as well. So I wasn't exactly happy, but a few areas they definitely reduced it too. So it's something that I'm okay with, not very happy.